Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you a simple process for how to reverse videos on TikTok. Now to begin the process, first you open your TikTok application. Now once you have opened the TikTok application, you tap on create icon on the middle and from here you record a video. Now tap on tick mark. Now from here you need to tap on effects from the bottom left option. Tap on effect. There are 5 options available to edit the video. From these on the bottom you need to tap on time. Inside time you will have the option of reverse. You tap on reverse and the video will get played in reversed. Now you need to save this video as well. So for that tap on the save on the top right corner. And with that the video has been saved in a reversed form, not the way that you have created. Now you tap on next and it will be ready to upload on your TikTok. This is how you can reverse videos on TikTok. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.